What's up, guys? Back again. Break number 2 for tonight. Same price. 6 boxes, different lineup. We're going to go ahead and do our teams right now. Good luck. We're live. 4 times under random. As always, 10-14. Brian to Tom. Anaheim, Winnipeg. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Is the timestamp? Timestamp on 3. 10-14. And 10-14, last and final here on the teams. 4 timestamp. 10-14. And 10-14, Florida, Boston. Florida to Boston, and then we got Anaheim to San Jose. There's your teams. Time to get down with the names. 10-14. Excuse me. Again, Brian to Tom. 30 names. 1, 2, 3. Is the timestamp? Timestamp on 3. 10-14. 10-14. Just turned 10-15. Last and final random. This is the important one. Last and final timestamp. 10-15. And 10-15 it is. So let's do it. We got Josh, first breakerless. He got the top 2 teams. And then we got Pierre Paul to Brandon. Alright, folks, here is your teams for tonight. Joshua, Florida, Columbus. John, St. Louis. Damon, Tampa Bay. Jerome, Colorado. Gary, Detroit. Ryan, Pittsburgh. Weaverchuck, Dallas. Tom, Nashville. Jay, Washington. Tony, Minnesota. Jay, Carolina. Chris, Ottawa. Tom, Calgary. Jay, Boston. Pierre, Paul, Anaheim. Ian is the Rangers. Corey Moore, Winnipeg. Johnny Mojo is Edmonton. Scott, Toronto. Carrie's Vancouver. Stefan is Tampa Bay. Jake Scott, New Jersey. And Buffalo. Brian, Chicago. Grenfell, Philly. Terry, Montreal. Chris, Arizona. Ian, the Islanders. And Brandon, San Jose. We're live for this one in 45. We'll see you then.